Best Travel Organizer 2026. Packing for a trip usually ends in a messy suitcase and zero extra space. I'm tired of digging through disorganized luggage, so I bought and tested 5 of the most popular options to find the best Travel Organizer 2026 has to offer. I spent my money so you don't waste yours. Let's see what actually works. Product number 1. Shake Packing Cubes for Travel 8 set. When I first pulled the Shake packing cubes out of the package, the cream fabric felt surprisingly durable, but lightweight enough that it wouldn't add bulk to my carry-on. You get 8 pieces in this set, which I honestly thought was overkill until I actually started packing. During my weekend test trip, having separate bags for shirts, pants, underwear, and even laundry completely changed how I lived out of my suitcase. The zippers glide super smooth without catching on the inner seams, which is a huge deal for me. I managed to fit about 5 days worth of clothes into a standard carry-on with room to spare. If you're someone who likes to micromanage your packing and wants a specific bag for every little thing, this 8-piece set is definitely the one to grab. Now, if you need something that physically shrinks your clothes down, product number 2, Lean Travel Premium Compression Packing Cubes. Holding these in my hands, the gray material feels a bit thicker than the Shacky set, mostly because of that heavy-duty double zipper system. The breathable mesh panel on the front is a nice touch, letting me see exactly what I packed without opening them up. I stuffed one of these full of bulky sweaters just to see how hard I could push it. Once I zipped up that outer compression zipper, it literally squashed the air out and saved me so much space. It really delivers on the compression promise without bursting at the seams. If you tend to overpack or travel mostly with thick winter gear, these are worth every penny to save suitcase real estate. But maybe you don't need 6 bags and just want a simpler, more compact compression setup. Product number 3. Aero Trunk Compression Packing Cubes. Right out of the box, this 4-pack in beige felt incredibly sleek and minimal. The fabric has a slightly softer texture compared to the Lean Travel ones, making them very easy to slide into a tight backpack. When I tested them with my everyday t-shirts and jeans, the double zipper compression worked beautifully. I actually prefer the 4-bag setup for shorter 3-day trips where a massive 6-piece set is just too much. I noticed they hold their shape really well, even when I haphazardly threw them into my duffel bag. If you are a minimalist traveler looking for just a few reliable compression bags to keep your weekend trips organized, this is exactly what you need. Of course, keeping your clothes sorted is only half the battle when you're trying to pack your bathroom essentials. Product number 4. Toiletry Bag Kit Set. Let's talk about the toiletry bag kit set. When I unzipped the hanging toiletry bag, I loved how rugged the water-resistant material felt. It feels like it can survive a major shampoo explosion. Testing this out in a cramped hotel bathroom was great because I could just hang it on the towel rack and have all my gear right at eye level. The clear 311 TSA cosmetic bag made getting through airport security a total breeze. I didn't even have to take my liquids out. Plus, that little ultralight accessory pouch is perfect for tossing in my charging cables. If you travel with full-size toiletries or just hate digging around a wet sink for your toothbrush, this trio is a massive upgrade to your travel kit. Speaking of keeping important things safe and easily accessible while rushing through a busy airport terminal, product number 5, Travel Document Organizer. Now I have to mention this travel document organizer. The moment I held this RFID passport wallet, I noticed how sturdy the outer shell felt in my hands. It has a nice grip and the wristlet strap is super secure. I loaded it up with my passport, several credit cards, and boarding passes to see how it handled the bulk. It zipped shut effortlessly, without looking bloated at all. The built-in RFID blocking gives me a lot of peace of mind when I'm standing in those crowded airport lines. I really appreciated having all my family's crucial IDs in one single easy-to-grab place rather than awkwardly patting down my pockets at the security checkpoint. If you are traveling internationally or trying to wrangle documents for your whole family, you absolutely need to keep this handy little organizer right inside your carry-on. That wraps up my testing. Having the right gear definitely makes living out of a suitcase way less stressful. If you want to grab any of these for your next trip, I put links in the description below so you can check the current prices. Happy travels!